In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a project in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie exploring Canva's features, being able to preview your designs before finalizing them is essential to ensure everything looks just as you imagined. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, let's start by opening your Canva project. Once your project has loaded, look closely at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find an assortment of tools designed to enhance your design experience. Among these tools is the zoom icon. This is your key to accessing the preview feature. The zoom icon, represented typically by a magnifying glass, helps you get a closer look at the minute details of your design. Clicking it will allow you to zoom in and out so you can examine different areas of your project more closely. Now, the preview feature in Canva is a simple yet effective tool that lets you see your design as a whole. By engaging with this feature, you can easily assess the balance, composition, and overall appearance of your project. When you click the zoom icon, you'll be able to see how your design will look upon completion without interference from grids, guides, or any interface elements that might clutter your workspace. This is essential for visualizing the end product and ensuring things like text alignment, color harmony, and overall layout meet your expectations. Another great aspect of using the preview is that it simulates a real-world view, which can be particularly useful when designing print materials, presentations, or digital assets that require precision. You can shift your focus to see various sections in more detail or view the entire project from a broader perspective. Doing so helps catch inconsistencies or areas needing adjustments, which might be overlooked in regular editing mode. Remember, a well-utilized preview ensures that no small mistakes make it to the final product, and that everything aligns just as you intended. This can save time and effort, preventing the need for major revisions after exporting your design. Whether you're dealing with complex layouts or simple designs, always take a moment to use the preview feature to check your work thoroughly. And there you have it. By utilizing the zoom tool to preview your project in Canva, you're setting yourself up for design success. This straightforward approach will help you maintain a critical eye on detail and ensure every project you create is a masterpiece in its own right. So next time you're working on a design, make sure to harness the power of the preview. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching and happy designing till next time.